One of the big things when we're talking about Disney, of course, their streaming business, they announced price hikes yesterday. I'm going to go to the estimate. The estimate for this quarter, 153 million subs when it comes to Disney Plus. That would be 44% year-over-year growth. Is that good enough? Is that good enough when it comes to this business in your mind?
Well, I think that at least shows that they're going in the right direction. Given that they announced price hikes before earnings, suggests to me that there's maybe some room for some upside surprise there, because they have to be very confident about that growth in order to sort of put price hikes on right now while the consumer is otherwise slowing. So that, I think, is a very good signal. We definitely saw some action in Disney yesterday as Disney moved up ahead of the announcement.
All right. What about the parks business? Some people are concerned about the parks business. You mentioned the slowing down consumer.
Yes, absolutely. And I think, the issue, though, with the parks, at least in California, which is where you saw weakness before, that wasn't necessarily a slowing consumer as much as it was inflationary pressures and wage pressures. Those have actually come down. And so theoretically, we should be able to see some recouping there with regard to profitability. Now, what would make us nervous is if we also saw sort of a demand slowdown in the process. We're not expecting it. That's not part of our core view. Our core view is actually that the parks continue to be strong, in fact, amazingly resilient, given the fact that there is a slowdown happening.
All right, I haven't seen it yet, but a lot of excitement about that Deadpool and Wolverine movie, Disney having some more recent success when it comes to the theaters. In your mind, what are you expecting when it comes to guidance, when it comes to that business? How important is that for the future of this company?
Well, that is the core of this company, is its intellectual property and its ability to continue to pump out intellectual property. And there's a lot of question, especially as the Marvel movies have gotten really long in the tooth. Are they going to sort of get back to, more content? There, I think Disney Plus has been a huge component of continuing to add, spin-off series and new series onto streaming. But blockbusters are really where Disney has had its strength, and it needs to continue. And I think it will continue. If you look at sort of the commitment there, we should be able to see sort of continued, creative success.
You didn't say if you went to see it yet.
I haven't actually seen either, but I do want to.